Hey guys, I want to show you guys something about your cell phone handle clamp. That if you have these and you discover that even when you put it in, it's no longer holding, right? You can see it's no longer holding. So this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. The suction is out there. Can you see? It's no longer holding. So we're going to see what to do to fix this problem. You don't have to throw it away. You don't have to go for a new one. All you need to do is to follow this video and see what I'm going to do to get this fixed again. Let's go. All right, so so guys, this is all you need to do to get this fixed. Just get warm water and just put in the suction into the warm water, and just let it be in there for, let's say, 10-15 minutes, and that should be great. You might also want to use a hot water, but if it's warm, that's fine. So just get that in there, and when you've done that, after like 10-15 minutes, all you need to do is to clean it up and make sure it's dried, and go back to the car and clean the base. Make sure you also wipe the base. Make sure there's no debris right there, and with that, you're good. Okay. All right, so guys, yes, here we are. The phone mount suction is right now ready to be fixed back. Like I said, you take that after you've dipped in the hot water and make sure that the surfaces are clean and dry. So all you have to do is place it back and clamp. And now you can see it's sitting. Can you see that? So it's fixed. That's all you need to do. So you don't have to go looking for a new one or changing what you have before now. So it's all good. It's all good right now. So you see that? It's fixed. Properly fixed, sitting properly. So thank you so much, guys. This is how you can fix your phone handle suction. You can like this video, you can give your comments, and please, you can share and subscribe to this channel so you can get new videos that will teach you how to fix things via DIY. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.